Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head.
Guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a cook session with me, and on this episode of Cook with Me, I am going to be taking you through on how I make my MOIMOI. So guys, please let's get into it. So here is my beans. I'm currently using white beans and it's just about 2.5 cups. So right now I'm going to start washing my beans. So after I poured my water, it was a minimal water I poured. I waited for about 10 minutes to have my beans soaked, so it will be easier for me to start washing and peeling it. So at this point I have to change my bowl to a bigger one for convenience. So I started washing my beans. So quick hack, because you were able to soak it for a while, like for 10-15 minutes before you start peeling it, it will hasten the peeling, like it will make it faster compared to you pouring water directly as you start peeling. So that's one of the hacks in MOIMOI preparation. So after peeling for a while, this is what it looks like, and then I'm going to just add water to sieve out the skin. The scale had already peeled. So after sieving it, I'm going to continue peeling again. So let me just show you. This is how I sieve it. And after you sieved it, you continue washing. You continue what's it called? You continue peeling. Pour the water, and of course continue peeling. And when you are done that it's clean, then you are good to go. So I am done washing my beans, as you can see, and the next thing I'm just going to do is to get pepper, get my beans grinded, and start boiling my fish. And I'll also boil my egg, because I'm just going to use my egg and fish for this MOIMOI. So guys, here is my blended beans with pepper in it, onions and all of that. Here is my boiled fish, my boiled egg, my salt to taste, and my seasoning. Here is the nylon I'm going to be wrapping my MOIMOI with, and here is groundnut oil. I'm going to be going along with groundnut oil. You can actually make use of palm oil, it's based on your preference, but in this video I am going to be using my groundnut oil. So let's just get started. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to add my fish stock. Stir. I'm going to be adding my salt to taste. Stir. And the next thing I'm going to be adding is my seasoning. And I'm going to be adding hot water preferably. But I'm actually considering my paste, my beans paste. I don't want it to be too watery. So I'm going to stir to my satisfaction. Then add my oil, my groundnut oil I mean. So I'm just going to open my nylon. Usually I use double nylon, and I'm just going to put my beans. Where's my beans? Depending on the size you want, it's based on your preference. It depends on your preference. And I'll add my boiled egg and boiled fish. Then I will tie one down. Then I'll continue the process. Double your nylon, stir your beans so as your ingredients will not settle down. Then you pour. It depends on the size you want. Then add your fish, your boiled egg, and tie. So you continue the process on and on till you are done tying up all your beans. Yeah, I cut it. So I am done wrapping up my what's it called, moi, and the next thing I'm just going to do is put it on fire and get it boiled, and I'm going to just show you the end result. So guys, here is the end result of our moi. Moi is ready. You can actually pair it with anything of your choice, be it bread, pap, or whatnot. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So guys, we have come to the end of today's episode of Cook With Me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and if you enjoy or learn one or two things in this video, please kindly give this video a massive thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you feel. Let me know how you make yours in your home. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you are satisfied with what you view. Thanks for watching, and I'm definitely going to see you in my next one. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.